Okay. So, lesson number seven, which we had missed out in SA1, I had not taken lesson seven. We had skipped this lesson, if you remember, and directly we had taken chapter number eight. So, let us start lesson number seven. My financial career. It is based on humor. Means it is something which is related to fun or comical piece. So it is a type of comedy in the lesson. What is that? That you will read the lesson and you will understand. Before we begin with the lesson, tell me the questions. Tell me the answers of the question which is asked over here. Are you in the habit of saving money? If yes, who gives you money and where do you save it? Discuss what you intend to do with your money you save. So, do you save the money? And who gives you the money and where do you save it? Who will tell me?
Sir, yes, I save the money
And where do you save it?
in my purse.
Anywhere else except for that?
No,
Which is the best place for saving the money?
piggy bank.
Okay, that answer was highly expected, but
But I
with
don't save in piggy bank.
but that is for cash and that is not for so big amount. Okay, a few thousands of rupees is okay, but if it is more, like if Alpesh sir is there, so if it is more, then where will you save your money? He has lot of cash. He cannot save it in piggy
Yes,
bank. So
sir.
where should he put?
In bank.
Bank. Yes. Because there are lakhs of rupees. So you can ask him. He also saves it in bank. So bank is the best place to save the money, right? And
Yes.
what do you what do you intend to do with the money you save? What would be your intention? What would you do in future with the money that you save? What would you do? Anyone?
तो फ्यूचर का पता नहीं.
But just as casually, what do you think that you would be doing with your money when you have collected or when you have saved lots of money, say 5 lakhs in a few years, after 15 or 20 years, suppose you have saved that much amount, what would you do with your money? Would you spend it on traveling? Would you buy something like a car or something? What do you do? इतना भी नहीं सोचा किसी ने. Then why do you save your money if you don't want to, if you don't have any plans? Even if you save 10,000 in 2 or 3 years, so you should have some plan. Where do you put it? Or will you keep it cash as it is? So I will tell you the story. What is it about? The summary I will tell you of this lesson, my financial career. Is my voice clear?
Yes.
So I am telling you the summary of the
Hello.
story you to repeat. Who is this?
Sir, I your voice
Yes,
was
who
not
was that?
coming. Yeah, now it's coming.
Now, okay, so I'm telling you the themes. Understand carefully this story. My financial career is a humorous piece, means it's a comical piece, a comedy. It is a humorous piece about a man with a fear of the banking system. The man, the protagonist, means the main leading character in this story, our author, he has the fear of banking system. उसमें बैंक में जाके जो system होती है, like saving, for example, withdrawal money, cash deposit, that is banking system. So he has the fear of banking system. He goes to a bank nonetheless because he thinks his salary of $50 is huge enough to be saved in a bank. Why did he go to the bank? Because according to him, his salary that was just $50, it is a very big amount according to him that he should save it in the bank. But we know that $50 is not a big amount at all, even if you count it multiply by 70. So that is not a big amount, but according to him it is. He gets nervous when he meets the accountant. So first, when he goes to the bank, he meets an accountant over there, and he asks him to meet the manager alone. So he went to the bank, and first he met accountant. He requested the accountant, I want to meet the manager alone. So if you request that you want to meet the manager alone, means you have something very important to say, right? So he repeats his request to the manager. When manager comes out, then again the author also requests the manager that please, can we go inside your office, in your cabin? I want to talk to you alone. So he is taken inside the private office with the manager. They both go inside. Now manager also thought that this is something important, so he is insisting again and again. So the manager thinks he is from a detective office. According to manager, he is from the detective office, and that detective's name is Pinkerton. That will come in the lesson. According to the manager, he thought that this man might be from the detective office, that is Pinkerton's office. So he wants to meet me alone. And at this point, the man reveals that he is there to open an account. So the man, the author, he says that no, I am just here to open an account. I just want to open my account in the bank. So why did he want to meet the manager alone? Manager is not needed in opening the account. The manager assumes he is a billionaire. So manager thought that, oh, okay, then this person might be a millionaire. He might be having lakhs of rupees, and he wants to deposit a large sum of money in the bank. So he wanted to meet me alone. Maybe that would be the reason. So he said that I want to meet you alone. By now, the protagonist means the author is very uncomfortable. So the author is very uncomfortable because he did not want to deposit a large sum of money. Neither was he from a detective office. He just wanted to open a normal account like any of the customer would do. So he deposits the cash in the bank. How much cash? That will come in the lesson. That was his salary. And he tells the accountant he wants to withdraw $6 via check. So his salary was $56. So he deposited $56. He deposits $56 in the bank, and then he tells the accountant immediately that now I want to withdraw $6 via check. $56 deposit किया और $6 वापस निकाल लेते हैं उसको immediately. Mistakenly he writes the whole amount on the check. फिर उसने check पे हमें amount लिखना होता है पता है 10,000 or 20,000. Then you have to put a sign whosever account it is if you have seen the check. Have you seen or not?
Yes.
So by mistake, he just wanted to withdraw $6, but as he was very nervous, as he was afraid of bank and banking system, by mistake, what did he write on the check? He wrote the whole amount. And how much was the whole amount?
$50.
56. That was his salary. That is what I said. So he deposited $56 and now by mistake he wrote $56 on the check also. Actually, he just wanted to withdraw six, but by mistake, in nervousness, he wrote $56, and then he gave that check to the accountant so that accountant would give him the cash. So the accountant was very shocked when he saw the check. That why does he want to withdraw the whole amount? He has just deposited the whole amount before a few minutes. But still, the accountant does not ask him any question because he is the customer after all. Even if you go and deposit 10,000 and after 5 minutes, if you tell the accountant, I want to withdraw 10,000 rupees, he cannot deny. He cannot tell you no. So accountant did not ask any question, but he was shocked. He was thinking. But still, it was his duty. So accountant gave him $56 back, cash, immediately. By now, the man has decided that he will never come to the bank again. So that author of the story, he has decided that now he will never come to the bank again because he was very nervous and in his nervousness he made this mistake. And now, if he tells the accountant that it was my mistake, then he will be proved as a foolish person. So he just took away the $56 back with him and he went home. And as he was going outside, as he was going out of the door of the bank, he heard the laughter of all the people, of all the bank employees behind him. Because what a foolish thing he did. For that they all laughed. That why had he come here then? So is the story clear? Hello.
Yes.
What about others? I want answer from everyone. Let me see who is there. Oh, at
Yes,
least 10 are there.
yes, sir.
Understood?
Yes,
Yes, sir.
Oh, Zakina. You just wait, I want to talk to you. When did you join, Sakina? Did you understand the whole theme of the lesson?
No, sir,
No,
last
sir,
part
last part
only.
only.
That is very bad. I did not expect this from you, at least.
Sir,
इतना
actually, it was network problem.
इसमें तो बहुत सारे रीजंस मिल जाएंगे ऑनलाइन क्लासेस में तो
No, sir, I just trust on me.
एक तो इतना मेहनत से कोई समझाता और एक तो टाइम पे ज्वाइन नहीं होते तुम लोग सब
सर लेकिन एक मोबाइल में नेट ही नहीं था फिर पता चला नेट नहीं है
नो प्रॉब्लम इट्स ओके यू कैन वॉच द रिकॉर्डिंग एंड आई अंडरस्टैंड इवन समटाइम्स the teachers have the network issue so it's okay I don't mind and please watch the recording also so what about others still only three girls said yes understood or not then we can
Yes.
do reading very quickly because reading I will not waste much of the time actually the whole thing I have told you understood all these girls you can see all these girls I'm checking the names why others are not answering Sarah Muskan what about you two स्टेपल कर दिया क्या माउथ what about you both okay no problem I will remember this yes at least Muskan said okay thank you Muskan no problem Sarah it's okay
Yes. Okay.
who will read now quickly and clearly tell me who will read
सर कैन आई
yes Sakina read
ओके सर Read this story about a man who does not feel confident about matters related to banking. Find out what happens. He goes to a bank to open a savings account. When I go into a bank, I get rattled. The clerks rattle me. The wickets rattle me. The sights of the money rattles me. Everything rattles me. The moment I cross the threshold of a bank and attempt to transact business there, I become an irresponsible idiot. I knew this beforehand, but my salary has been raised to $50 a month, and I felt that the bank was the only place for it. So I shambled in and looked timidly round at the clerks. I had an idea that a person about to open an account must need to consult the manager.
Okay. So the author says that whenever he goes into the bank, he gets rattled. Rattled means confused. He says that whenever he enters the bank, he gets rattled. And which are the things that rattle him? The clerks in the bank, the wickets. What are the wickets? You know the small openings which are there with which you can communicate. जो खिड़की होती है वो जिसमें से कैश हम दे सकते हैं और वो हमें दे सकते हैं रिसिप्ट भी देते हैं वो लोग that small window the employee sit the other side we are standing outside yes or no
Yes, yes.
that are called wickets that small openings of the glass that are called wickets with which we can communicate which we can give the cash and they can give us receipt that is the small opening over there that are called wickets so everything rattles him everything makes him confused nervous the sight of the money whenever he sees cash at that time also he gets nervous everything rattles him in short and the moment he crosses the threshold of the bank threshold means है किसी के पास टेक्स्ट बुक they would know the entrance the door so whenever he enters the bank the threshold of the bank and he attempts to transact a business means whenever he tries to deposit the money or withdraw the money I become an irresponsible idiot so at that time he does something wrong because in nervousness you will surely make some mistake so at that time he becomes an idiot because he does some surely he does some mistake whenever he tries to do some transaction in the bank so he becomes an idiot an irresponsible person like like an idiot so that is what he says about himself I knew this beforehand, but my salary had been raised to $50 a month. So his salary was raised to $50, and he felt that bank was the only place where he can save this large sum of money. But actually, this was not a large sum of money. $50 or $56 is a small amount of money. So according to him, according to the author, he says that it was a very large amount, a large sum of money. So he should deposit only in the bank, not in the piggy bank or purse like Delisha said. So according to author, it should be deposited in the bank only. So I shambled in. Shambled in. Shambled means what? Walked very carelessly. Like how you just walk, you don't care whoever is there watching you. That is called shambled. So I shambled in and looked timidly. Timidly means very shy. When you are very nervous, you cannot look at everyone very frankly. So very timidly he looked at everyone, all the employees who were sitting in the bank. He looked at the clerks because he would have asked clerks that what to do now. I had an idea that a person about to open an account must need to consult the manager. So author did not have much knowledge about bank because he had not gone to bank so many times before. So according to his knowledge, the person who wants to open a new account in the bank, they should meet the manager first. So is that the rule? Do you think that is that the rule? Hello, 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 hello.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Thank God you are listening. What? Yes, sir. जो पूछा है उसका आंसर नहीं दिया.
सर वो मैं एक्चुअली 2 मिनट के
हाँ
लिए
एक्चुअली
चली गई
हाँ
थी।
हाँ वो तो सब हो जाएगा, अभी सब आएगा.
मैं ब्रश करने गई थी सर।
Such reasons you give, I don't know what to say.
रियली सर।
Okay, but what about this? You are I'm explaining over here. The question I asked, tell me about this. बाकी सब तो ब्रश करने गए थे ना, सब एक साथ ब्रश करने गए थे, सब
ओके
एक
सर,
साथ ब्रश
थैंक
करके
यू।
आते हैं. जब तक सर समझा दे पैराग्राफ. What did I ask? See, no one knows what did I ask. I will not repeat this anyway.
सर अगर मैं होती तो मुझे याद होता।
I asked about this. According to author, the person who wants to open a new account in the bank, they should meet the manager first. So is that the rule? Is that the right thing that he knew?
Sir, it was the wrong thing.
Yes. You don't have to consult manager for these silly things. If you have something very important, only the manager can give you the permission. Only then you have to meet the manager. Otherwise, manager never interferes in the transactions of the customers or in opening closing account. He has nothing to do. Only if there is a big loan amount or something, then only he comes in the picture. Continue reading. But let me tell you, I'm very disappointed with all of you today. I don't want to tell you the reason. You all understood very nicely. Continue reading, Sakina.
Okay, sir. So I shambled. Sorry, I went up to a wicket marked accountant. Accountant. The accountant was a tall, cool devil. The very sight of him rattled me. My voice was sepulchral.
Yes.
Can I see the manager? I said, and added solemnly, alone. I don't know why I said alone. Certainly, said the accountant and fetched him.
Okay. Yes, Lullu Zainab. What happened? I went up to a wicket and marked accountant. Means he went to the wicket, he went to that window where it was written accountant. वो accountant के पास गया narrator. The accountant was a tall, cool devil. Devil here means like a monster. He had a very ferocious look. He was a tall person. He was a cool devil, like a villain, you can say. The very sight of him rattled me. So as soon as he saw the accountant, again he was nervous. My voice was sepulchral. So the meaning is given over there. Beside, it means in the box, you can see sad and serious. So when the narrator started speaking to the accountant, his voice was sepulchral, sad and very serious. Can I see the manager? I asked, and added solemnly. That is also given seriously. So the narrator asked the accountant that I want to meet the manager. May I? Alone. What did he add? He said alone. I want to meet the manager. I don't know why I said alone. So even author, when he spoke the sentence, after that he was thinking, "ये क्यों मैंने ये alone word use किया?" Because there is no such reason that he has to meet the manager alone. But still he said alone, and then he was thinking, why did I add this word alone in my sentence? Certainly, means surely, said the accountant, you can, and fetched him. Means he called out the manager from the office. Accountant called out the manager because even accountant thought that this man is someone important or maybe a big customer or something like that. Otherwise, no one would insist to meet the manager alone. Solemnly लिखा था बाजू में seriously in a very serious voice. Is it clear now, merchant?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I hope you don't mind calling you with your surname.
I don't care.
That was very rude of you.
No
How can you be
worries,
so rude?
sir.
Never expected you to be so rude.
Sir, no worries.
Continue, continue.
Okay, sir. The manager was a grave, calm man. I had my $56 clutched in a crumpled ball in my pocket. Are you the manager? I said. God knows I didn't doubt it. Yes, he said. Can I see you? I asked. Alone? I didn't want to say alone again, but without it, the thing seemed self evident.
The manager was a grave, calm man. So the meaning of grave means serious. The manager was looking a serious person. Of course, the managers have that look. Only then they can become the managers. And I held my $56 clutched in a crumpled ball in my pocket. Means ऐसे वो पूरा क्रश करके उसके पॉकेट में उसने रख दिए थे $56 नरेटर ने. Here is the narrator, you can see. So $56 was the amount of money that he had in his pocket. It was crumpled ऐसे पूरा क्रश करके नहीं. We can do it with the paper also. We crush it, we fold it, and we put it in the pocket. Sometimes that is way he had crushed it. He has clutched very tightly. He has held his $56 in his pocket. You can see this hand left side. It is inside the pocket. Are you the manager? I said. God knows I didn't doubt it. So actually, author knew that this was the manager who was looking very grave, but still he asked this question: that are you the manager? That is how he wanted to confirm. So he asked the manager, "Are you the manager?" But actually he knew कि हाँ यही manager है. Yes, he said. Can I see you? I asked. Alone. Again, he added this word alone. But he did not know that. Why did he use this word alone? Actually, he has no such work. So he asked, Can I see you alone? तो उसने मैनेजर को डायरेक्टली पूछा क्या हम अकेले में मिल सकते हैं? I did not want to say alone again, but without that, the thing seemed self evident. Now, what is the meaning of this sentence? Self evident means clear, very visible. So, narrator thought if he did not use the word alone, then whatever the reason is there, whatever the reason for whatever reason he has come to bank, वो सबको पता चल जाएगा. But actually there was not a big reason. He just wanted to open an account. तो उसने क्या सोचा narrator ने that if he will not use the word alone, अगर वो alone word use नहीं करेगा तो
Yes.
then everyone will come to know that he has come here for what reason. But he did not want to tell everyone that for what reason he had come. ऐसा कोई रीजन था ही नहीं that he should be using this word alone. Is it clear till here?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So now from here,
Yes,
who else will
sir.
continue?
Sir, I.
Nisha or
Yes.
read it?
The manager looked at me in some alarm. He felt that I
Yep.
had an awful secret to reveal. Come, come in here, he said, and led the way to a private room. He turned the key in the lock. We are safe from interruption here, he said. Sit down. We both sat down and looked at each other. I found no voice to speak. You are one of Pinkerton's men, I presume, he said. He had gathered from my mysterious manner that I was a detective. I knew what he was thinking, and it made me worse. No, not from Pinkerton, I said, seeming to imply that I came from a
Rival.
agency, rival agency. To tell the truth, I went on as if I had been prompted to lie about it. I am not a detective at all. I have come to open an account. I intend to keep all my money in this bank.
Okay.
The man,
Right, I will continue. I will explain. So, the manager looked at me in some alarm. Now, manager was looking at him in some alarm. Means now manager thought that, oh, what is the reason? Why does he want to meet me alone? He felt that I had an awful secret to reveal. Means the manager thought that he had a very bad secret about something or about someone. So he wants to share that secret with me. So he wants to meet me alone. So he said, come in here and led my way to the private room. So manager called him in the private room and they both went inside in his office. He turned the key in the lock, means he opened the door with the key. The manager opened the door. They went inside. We are safe from interruption here, he said. Sit down. So manager said that no one will disturb us over here. You can sit down. We both sat and looked at each other. I found no voice to speak. So first for 1 minute they both were sitting and no one spoke a single word. No one. Both were looking at each other continuously. No, I don't want sorry. Whoever is writing the sorry, please don't write. And no one will justify others. So you are one of Pinkerton's men, I presume. Pinkerton is the name of detective agency or detective office, you can say. Detective agency का नाम है, so it is proper noun. So the manager asked the narrator that I think that you are from Pinkerton's. I think Pinkerton's. I presume means I assume. I believe that you have come from Pinkerton's office. He had gathered from my mysterious manner that I was a detective. So the way the narrator was behaving, that I want to meet you alone, he said to the accountant, he said to the manager himself. From that behavior, this manager had thought that I am from a detective agency. That is mysterious manner. उसका जो behavior था वो बहुत mysterious, अजीब था of the narrator. I knew what he was thinking and it made me worse. So narrator को समझ में आ गया that oh manager is thinking that I am a detective and all that, but now I am very nervous. मैं कैसे बोलूँ उनको that the truth is that I just want to open an account, nothing else. No, not from Pinkertons, I said, seeming to imply that I came from a rival agency. So the author said that no, I am not coming. I don't come from Pinkertons. So the manager thought that he is coming from a rival agency. Means जो rivals होते हैं ना हमारे competitors. So he thought the manager will now think that he is coming from another detective agency, which is the rival of Pinkerton's agency. Is that clear? Did you all understand, Delia?
Yes, sir.
yes,
So we
Yes,
shall
sir.
continue. Okay, we shall continue.
Yes, sir.
ઓકે હાલો સર પૂરું કરો.
Sharafat sir lecture છે favorite.